Hello. It's ready. £377.0
I lost 5 pounds.
Click the link below and get yourself a cameo where I'll make a special video just for you. Treat yourself or surprise someone else. It makes a great gift. Link below.
And we're gonna celebrate. We are going to celebrate.
Goodbye.
It's just water weight before you say anything. And there's proof of it, you guys. If it wasn't water weight, I would have lost all those pounds overnight. Did we not weigh ourselves yesterday? We did. And we weighed ourselves yesterday, and what did we come out to? 383. Now I'm 370 something, 77. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I lost 9 pounds. Just do the math. It's very simple, Ashley's. 383 minus 377 is 9. So, I've lost 9 pounds and we're going to try to gain it back. Not on purpose. By the way, I don't ever do these. I've gained weight by accident over the years, but you know what? It's just water weight. Okay. Buy my t-shirt, link down below. Go to my store. It's justwaterweight.com. You can also go to nicocadoavocado.com if you so choose. It doesn't even matter. Today, I decided, since I get a lot of feedback from you peasants, you don't finish your food. You don't finish your food. This is a waste. You think I got to 400 pounds? Excuse me, that's not the goal. Do you think I'm almost 400 pounds from what? Air? I clearly don't waste the food. I clearly eat it off camera. What you eat in private, you wear in public, Ashley. So we're getting prepared. Orland's not here right now, so I'm doing delivery, so I'm gonna have to waddle downstairs. Waddle like a simpleton. And I happen to have some sauces ready to go, so we're gonna get these set up. You guys, I'm mentally unwell. I've been mentally unwell these past, it's just getting worse and worse and worse and worse. It's snowballing. Yeah, I kind of look like a snowball these days as well, especially when I take my shirt off. Ooh. Don't look at me at the beach. Unless you like, maybe I'll remind you of that delicious candy. What's it called? It's called Boston Snow Globes. It's coconut snow globes by Twisty Treats or something like that. I look like one of those. I'm perfectly round, especially when I hunch over. Okay. And I'm being accused by people on TikTok, ouch, that I stretch myself out and Photoshop. Just watch my videos of me dancing around with my CPAP. That's not Photoshop, that's real. That's just me getting some exercise for the day. So, today I decided, this video was not planned. Well, I knew I would film today, but I didn't know if I would be doing McDonald's. I decided not to order that much food because I want to eat all of it. Because I'm so sick of saying, you waste your food, you waste your food. Everyone says to me, you waste your... I'm sick of seeing those comments. So today I'm not going to waste any food. I ordered enough that I feel like I can eat. Hopefully. I don't know, actually. I think I can eat this, but I really don't know. We're going to have to find out if I can eat this. Okay. So I ordered just enough food where I can eat all the food for you. And, I look mentally unwell too. My eyes are getting squintier and squintier and squintier. It's not okay. Like, look at them. There's water weight in my eyeballs. I can't even keep them open. I'm just like this half the time. I'm like, wah, wah, wah. So we're gonna see if I can finish this. That's the goal. It's gonna be called McDonald's Challenge let's add up the calories together, actually. Okay. I'll just read them off to you. I just placed the order. It should be here in probably 15 minutes. So I just need to do my orders. Thank you. Come again. Order details. Here we go. Hi. It is a medium French fries, that's 320 calories. 2 large French fries, that's 980. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 1,300 for those 3 things. And then there's a double quarter pounder deluxe cheeseburger. That's 890. So 3, 8, 9, 10. We're at 2,300. Because I also did extra ketchup, extra mayo, 2 pumps of mayo, and no pickle. Then I got a double cheeseburger, which is 450 calories. So we're at 2,600 calories. Oh, I was supposed to do, that's it, by the way, that's it. I was supposed to do 3,000 calories, but you know what? I already had 3,000 calories today, which is kind of crazy. It's currently like 7 p.m. This video is going to come out at 9. I've been posting in the afternoon for this past week because I've been having lots of bad mental disorder days. Mental illness has been getting in the way. My mental illness is getting worse and worse and worse and worse. I feel like I might not wake up one day. But go out with a bang, that's what we say. Okay. One of my best friends from college, she was from Serbia, and she says to me, life is hard, and then you die. I'm like, this is true. And that stuck with me all these years ever since. So we're going to arrange these to be nice and pretty. Let's do from dark to light, although that's not really possible with these things set up here. But it is... I am perfect. So this is not that much food. This is only 2,800 calories. I know that's what you eat in a day, but I had watermelon today. I had pancakes and waffles. I already had 2,000 calories worth of pad thai noodles with tofu. Oh, and like 2 pieces of bacon when I had my waffles. I should have, it's just one of those days where I'm just eating my feel. I'm like stuffing it in. I should have filmed this whole day. I did call like what I eat in a day. Obviously this is a mental disorder. This is a mental illness day. So we're eating more than I usually eat. I've had 0 vegetables today, except that watermelon. Is that a vegetable? Felt like one. It was very sweet, actually, to my surprise. I was like, oh, this is nice. So this is gonna be literally a cheeseburger, and some french fries. That's it. That's it. But we are going to eat all of it because I have mental illness. My mental illness will not go away. No matter how much I try. No matter how much I try. And I sleep. And I sleep. Look at me pumping out some tears. Take that, Amber Turds. She can't even pump out a single droplet. I can do better than that. Cheapers. But I have nothing to really cry about, but I kind of do. My mental health has not been well. It's just not, it has not been well, okay? My mental illness is getting worse and worse and worse and worse. It won't leave me alone. It won't leave me alone. Go away, go away. It won't leave me alone. I have back pain, I have lower back pain, I have top back pain. I have joint pain. I have high blood pressure. I have diabetes. And I'm just not okay. I'm literally not okay. Look at my double chin. It's never been this big in my entire existence on YouTube. Yes, I lost 5 pounds, but it's probably just water weight. It's just water weight. Buy the shirt. Buy the hoodie. Oh. Well. My mental health is bad. I should be eating like this. I should not be eating like this. I'm fighting demons in my head, just to let you know. People have been commenting this past week or two. There's something different about Nick. It seems to be getting worse and worse and worse. I can't put my finger on it. What's happening? I don't know, Ashley. When I find out, I'll tell you. My mental health is bad. Oh, I have this little thing because this still has a toy inside, so we'll open up the toy. I have sauces. I have leftover sauces. I have leftover little packets of noodles. My pantry is full of dipping sauces. I thought about whipping out some Chick-fil-A sauce. Wouldn't that have been funny? But I said, no, let's keep it macarons. I actually have some leftover. These here are ranches from Dairy Queen. And remember yesterday, I told you, I'm like, ew, these guys say these ranches are not very good. Oh my God, these ranches are not very good. Oh, that was 2 days ago. Well, here's the thing. The ranches, because of these supply chain issues and inflation issues, they substitute. So Orland told me after the video, which I forgot, informed me, not like it matters, who cares, but he said, Nick, there's a huge sign just like Popeyes, like someone just wrote there with a crayon and put it on their door that says, due to supply chain issues and inflations, we are having to substitute items. Please make do. And please understand, we're doing the best we can, sir. So that's kind of what happened. Okay. That's kind of what happened. Basically. And that's why this ranch is not very good. So it's not the ranch I grew to love and adore. They swapped out my favorite ranch. These mother. Who supplies this? Where are they from? I'm calling their corporate. Okay, there might be supply chain issues in the world, but Americans come first. I have to eat to survive. And don't say you should be getting a ranch. I wore the wrong size. My mental health is not good. Mental things is scary. Goodbye, patients. I honestly need to go. I need to go lay down. My mental health is really bad. I'm literally holding back my tears. I'm holding back my tears. I'm trying to cover it up with some comedy and some overacting and some just BS. Don't you know when people have coping mechanisms? Oh, Nick is just an actor. We'll never know. He's just he's the boy that cries wolf. He's gonna be so sad one day, and nobody's gonna believe him. That's fine. It's all my fault. It's your fault. Excuse me. I take no responsibility here. Who clicked this video? You did. Mm-hmm. What's happening to me? I lost a couple pounds though. It's kind of unbelievable. So here's my food. This is very small amounts. Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. Oh, they made this wet for me. Look at all those onions for me. Buy one, get one free. Oh, this is wet for me. Oh, buy one, get one free. I'm greedy, which is why I just take. Uh-huh. Mental illness today. I have bad mental illness. Have you ever just had one of those days where it's just bad mental illness? Britney Spears got married. Hopefully she did not have bad mental illness. I have
Click the link below to follow my Patreon. You'll get exclusive weekly videos about my life, plus tons of mukbangs not allowed on YouTube. Link below.
It's like I've never had French fries before. These are the best McDonald's fries I've ever had in my life. Truly the best. Okay. There's 5 French fries on the floor. I don't want to waste any French fries because this doesn't sound right in my calories. 5 French fries fell. I was gonna pick it up, but then I decided that's too much work. Okay, this is a double cheeseburger with Look at this. They did it good today. It's just water weight. Before you say anything, buy my merch. It's in the description box. It's just waterweight.com is my website. Much more appropriate. There's nothing in here other than a toy. There's no food in here. In case you skipped the intro, I already had this sitting here. The French fries today are my mental illness is so bad today. Have you ever just want to scream as loud as you can? Like, my mental illness is so bad, you guys. I just want to scream and shout and let it out. You know, that's all, yeah. Maybe it's very obvious by this point that I'm mentally unwell. But food's my best friend. So it's the only thing that's ever been by side my side. My mental brain. I'm mentally unwell. This doesn't It doesn't even need sauce, Ashley. When I'm golden, golden arches, here they come. When I'm golden, here come arches, here they come. What's that song? Who's that? Anyone know who that is? We don't know her. My arch is a golden arch. I'm mentally unwell. I'm having mental illness day. These are the best French fries I've ever had from McDonald's. Just in time for my mental illness day. Okay, let's do this. Where's the cheese? I'm assuming it's under here. Okay, they put a lot. A double quarter pound of cheese only has one slice of cheese, apparently. Okay. They made it saucy AF. Oh. Okay, there's the cheese at the bottom. Oh, there. Oh, it's at the bottom. You know, you can go for a nice messy bottom. Oh. They were nice to me today. They were nice to me. They had to be nice to me. Mm-hmm. Mental illness day. My mental illness is bad. My world is crashing down. I haven't used the sauces. I thought I would need it. Nope. Brace! 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 False alarm. To the mental illness and beyond. Mental illness day. Not over there. I have the receipts. Sorry, I'm not talking to anybody. I'm having really bad mental thoughts right now. Bad mental thoughts. Bad mental thoughts. The mental thoughts are not good. They're bad. They're very bad. They're so bad. They're so bad. What's happening to me? Make them leave my head. Make it leave my head. Somebody. Please. I'm on a path of destruction and I'm aware of it and I don't care. That's the saddest thing ever today, huh? I no longer care. I no longer care. There's no toy in here either. I no longer care. Should I be carried? I no longer care. Should I be carried? I no longer care. I no longer care. It tastes so good. It tastes so good. Make these thoughts leave my head. Somebody. And make these thoughts leave my head. Somebody. Somebody. Somebody, please. I didn't even mean to take this all this. Oh. Make these thoughts in my head. Somebody. I made you one promise tonight. I never keep promises on my channel. I can't even keep promises to my husband. I'm surprised he's even still in this apartment. But at least I can make one promise today. and keep it. And that was to eat every last drop, every last morsel, ounce of food. Everything. Despite already having Belgian waffles, bacon, hash browns, watermelon, and 2,000 calories worth of pad thai mounted up to here. I've probably had 7,000 calories today. What's wrong with me?
Hi, it's me. I'd like to thank all my patrons for supporting this video, and an even bigger thank you to my executive producers, Jamie Babycado, Princess Abbie, and C Butter. If you'd like to support my channel a little bit extra, or if you just want to see the real, unfiltered side of these videos, click the link in the description box and consider joining all of us over on Patreon. You'll get to see weekly videos and a much more candid side of me. Oh, and by the way, you have to be a grown-up to follow. Patreon's really for my closest followers only, and new openings become available on a first-come, first-served basis. So if you see an opening, hurry up. And if you want to hear from me personally, get yourself a video directly from me on Cameo, where I can surprise you with a video straight to your phone or your computer. You can also hire me to tell off your friend. If you want more, check out my merch store and get yourself a Waterweight t-shirt. Patreon, Cameo, and merch are all linked in the description box. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.